Welcome to Bankline, where you can view all your business accounts in one place, manage your finances, and complete everyday tasks whenever you choose. You can open additional business current and business reserve accounts with just a few clicks. Let's take a look. To do this, you'll need the privileges to add new accounts. Your Bankline administrator can help you with this. Once you've got the privileges, just follow these steps. Click Account Servicing from the main menu at the top of your page, then click Open an additional account. Select the organization, if you have more than one, then select an existing account to use as a template for the new account. You'll be asked whether the new account will hold money on behalf of a third party, for example client money. If it will, you'll need to contact your usual customer service team for help. If not, we can carry on creating the new account here. If you select Principal Address, we'll use your organization's address. If you choose Statement Address, you'll be asked to add this. Next, you can choose whether you'd like to receive monthly paper statements. Let's assume we're going to be eco-friendly and use online statements for this account. Confirm if the account should be added to an existing group facility. Select the number of checkbooks or credit books that you need for the account type permitting, and then click Next. Enter an email address for us to send a confirmation email to. Now we're almost there. You can review the information for the account being opened and the terms and conditions. Then click Next. Read the confirmation statements, and when you're happy, click Confirm. Now you'll be asked to approve the request with your smart card. Click Submit to Bank, and that's it. Leave the rest with us. If approved, and we have no further questions, your account could be opened within 2 working days. Once the account is open, you'll be able to register it in Bankline. This is just one of the ways Bankline could make your life a little easier. To find out more about Bankline and how it could help your business, just visit us here